Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be about the best 6 gas grills in 2022. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we have the Weber Spirit 2 E310. With just 3 burners, this Weber Spirit 2 E310 can house larger groups and a good amount of food at once. Starting with its performance, it features a GS4 grilling system with improved infinity ignition, burners, porcelain-enameled Glamorizer bars, and a grease management system. One of the best features of this product is that it boasts a solid ignition that can light right up with no hassle and can get extremely hot very quickly. And another one is that its externally mounted propane tank can be easily replaced and leaves room for us to use the under grill shelf for other storage needs. While its included side tables are also convenient for additional prep or serving areas. Its main burners pack a whopping 30,000 BTU-per-hour input. And finally, for the grill surface, it comes made of 3 porcelain-enameled and cast iron cooking grates, making it durable and easy to clean. Next is American Gourmet 463-773-717. If you are for the best budget option, then this American Gourmet's gas grill is for you. This is a 3-burner gas grill that delivers 30,000 BTUs of heat across the 360 square inch cooking surface. Its cooking surface features porcelain-coated grates and measures 26 inches wide and 14 inches deep, providing ample cooking space for about 15 burgers. And in addition to this, it also has a swing-away warming rack, which you can use as a secondary cooking area for sides or toasting buns. Its included grill lid and firebox are all constructed of porcelain-coated steel for increased durability, making it able to stand up to tough weather. And now, moving on to its performance, its stainless steel inline burners will offer better high to low heat control versus pancake burners, while its piezo ignition system provides fast and reliable burner startups with the push of a button. Finally, for the wheels, it has 2 6-inch wheels for increased mobility. Next, we have the Fuego F21CH. This new 2019 model is upgraded with a 45-degree hinged lid, increased BTU output of 22,000 BTU per hour, and an improved residue removal system for easier cleanup. Equipped with an impressive 346 square inches of cast iron grilling grate space, it is an excellent option for beginners. And when it comes to its performance, with a super easy to clean residue removal system, this grill is very easy to clean, as its grease will drop straight through to the residue tray, so the cleanup will be quick and simple. And along with this, it also features a hinged lid, which sits at a 45-degree angle, preventing the need to reach over a hot flame. So you don't need to worry about the lid handle heating up, as it will always stay cool to the touch. Next is Blackstone. This Blackstone is a flat-top grill that boasts a spacious griddle-style cooking surface, where you can cook, roast vegetables, shrimp, breakfast foods, and so much more. In terms of performance, it delivers 30,000 BTU across 2 burners, allowing you to have 2 temperature zones at the same time. You will get 4 adjustable heat zones for versatile cooking, along with an option to keep certain foods warm while others cook. And another bonus feature of this product is that when cooking on this flat top, you can retain all the flavor and juices in your food, and also still get that sought-after crisp whenever preferred. It offers one side table for food prep and a spacious bottom shelf where you can stash extra supplies. And finally, for portability, this grill is mounted on large wheels, making it easy to move around your yard. Lastly, we have the Camp Chef Flat Top Grill. This gas grill comes with a large 600 square inch surface where you can crank out food for 50 to 100 people every hour. Its included four 1200 BTU burners are powerful enough to quickly heat up pre-seasoned griddle. And using its adjustable heat, it will make it easy and convenient to create hot, warm, and cold zones on your grill to ensure you get the perfect cook all the time. Finally, coming to its cleaning. Featuring a grease management system, cleaning will be a breeze with a grease tray, catch bucket, and micro-adjust griddle levelers. So in the package, you will get a flat-top griddle, true seasoned surface, and a non-stick and ready-to-cook cold-rolled steel griddle. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.